Almost time. It's Fresh Cash Friday! Oh my gosh, I'm excited for today. It's Friday, not because the weekend is coming, but rather, well, I've learned to love Fridays because there's nothing better than walking away green and enjoying the rest of your weekend, doing whatever you want, preparing, planning for the next week. As always, you must do that. You can't just go and forget about the charts. You gotta do your work on Saturday, you gotta do your planning. God, I just want to thank God. I'm just super grateful every morning. As soon as I wake up, I'm like, God, I get to do this one more day. I get to come on this computer one more time, and I get to do this all over again. And I'm just really passionate about what I do. I love what I do. And I remember waking up in the morning, having to go to work to provide. And it was very not a happy time. And even though I've never really struggled through, because I was always a hard worker as well, right? But I always knew that there was a better way. I always thought to myself, there's gotta be another way. Since the age of 14, I arrived in Canada, well, I think at 9 and something. And I thought to myself, I don't know. But last time I saw, hard work didn't really get much done. Thinking about, the people that I grew up with down here, they were hard workers, but we never really had too much. And going to Canada was kind of the same story, same thing. I went there and I saw that not a lot of people had too much, besides obviously those who do, right? But and then I'm like, now I'm working, and there's got to be another way. It's got to be another way, and I like to. That's exactly why I always start off this by just being grateful about everything. Super grateful and some super thankful. So now that that's out of the way, boom! It's Friday. We have the lucky shirt on. We have Jerome Powell speaking. Okay, he's speaking at 10 o'clock today. We know that. Now, what's gonna happen? Well, I would say, in order for you to kind of even get an idea of what might happen later on, you first need to understand history. You need to understand what happened yesterday. And that's the shortest time history that I can kind of give you and tell you. Look at this hourly candlesticks I got for you up here. Okay. I don't know what I should tell you first. All right, let's start off by, let me show you the trades I took yesterday, okay? So after I ended the live stream, honestly, I could not just sit here and wait for the price to come. I had to leave. I'm like, there's no way. I didn't even know price was gonna actually go down, right? So what happens here? Let me just tell you. Then I'll give you the rundown. All right, look. So before I ended my live stream, this is the same account, same XFA, literally the same execution. You can see that the same express funded account. We're growing right now. It's exactly the same. This is the trade that we took there on the live stream from the 52s all the way up to the 60s. And then later on, we dump. And I said, I'm interested in 30, but not, it depends how we get there, and we just dumped. So I mean, there was really no need for me to take any form of long there, right? But later on, this is the interesting part here. I did talk on my live stream about bidding 15 directly. I said I'm interested in buying 15 directly. We'll see, what happens. And I had an order as a resting order sitting here at 15. And well, yeah, I got dumped on. So I got sold and I got taken out at 12. You can see that stop right there. It's in the same candle. I'm not lying about it. It's right there. You can see it. So in the same candle, I got stopped out at 12. And in the same candle, I got long. You can see on the same candle at 15.50. So meaning I had a 3-point stop Anyway, so I did get stopped out on that 15. I did talk about this on my stream. I follow my plan and I'm here talking about it because, well, I mean, that was my plan. I said it. I'm going to bid 15 directly, right? Just for you to see that this is the same account, same XFA that I'm growing, that I've been growing the past 2 weeks. So I did take that 15. I got dumped on. I got stopped out for 3 points. Now that's 150 loss. That's fine. It's part of trading. And then we did this. We scooped up right to the lows. And then guess what? We trapped and we got back up 15. So come on. I mean, at that point, I knew we were going up. Like, there's no and ifs or buts. So I took the long here at 16. You can see this here at 16. And this was the third trade of my day. And then I ended up taking profit at the 23.75, which my target was 30. Why 30? Because that was the previous level of support that I talked about potentially buying, which just got dumped on. 30 gets denied, and then we start the dip. Do you start to see how this is a game of ping pong? 15, 30. Then we dip below 15, and then we did end up breaking because it was one of those days where support fails. And this is what I mean by weakness. Weakness tells us that we break a level of support, meaning we bounce from support at 52, we get to the resistance at 60. Then we break 52, and that's the first trigger that we're going down today. That's the first sign, first level of support failure. We were supposed to bounce from 30. We never did. I thought we were going to get a nice bounce play from 15. We did, but first we trapped. So basically, what did we end up doing? We back tested 30. 30 had no power. We go down. We break down 15. And then where do we bounce from? 88. Now, this is the part that I don't want you to miss. This is it. On a small time scale, you can see this right here, which in itself, the shape looks bullish, right? But regardless of the shape, never mind that nonsense, okay? This is what I want you to see. On a big picture scale, do you remember Monday when I came on the stream and I said, we're right below 88? I'm not sure if we're going to push above it. It's a big level of resistance, 85 to 95. I don't know if you were here. If you guys were watching, you might remember this particular level. This was right here on the Monday. And I said above, I don't like trading Mondays because I don't have a clear sense of whether we might break above certain levels or break below. I like to leave Monday as a day of resting for me and just analyzing the overall trend. I said this, right? And I didn't trade. I did not trade because I was unsure. So we did squeeze on Monday. And that resistance level was 85 to 95 level right here. Okay, this was the resistance. We know this from Monday. Now, turning the page over onto Thursday, look at where we bounced from. Look at this. Take a wild guess. Just guess. Look at the low. 83. We trap a little bit below 88 and 85. But nonetheless, the idea is 85 to 95 is support. So this is a major level of support. 15, even though I thought it was major, I thought it was a major, but we just kind of dumped it. But again, 88 is the key. We've been pinging and ponging around this 85, 88 level. I even have a 30-minute almost documentary about this level, how important it has been in the past for the market, right? And that was the low of yesterday. I could have longed that shit directly yesterday. But of course I didn't. I was already out of trades for my day. And then I thought about getting long yesterday. I'm like, at the reclaim of 04, I'm like, I'm going to try to get long above here at 07. You can see these lines I have all week long. I don't really adjust them until later on today. I should have been long there. Fuck, I would have been taking profit right now at the 30. Could have, would have, should have. But at the end of the day, what am I trying to say here? I'm just basically trying to tell you that trading technical analysis keeps the guessing out of the game. We didn't trade Monday because I didn't trade Monday because I was unsure of whether 88, 85, 95 was going to crack. And we did break through it. So we back tested on Thursday. And where are we heading? We're going right back up. So what am I trying to tell you here? I'm trying to tell you that we're going up. Up. Okay? And anybody who's even here guessing or even wondering yesterday, this dump, why did we get denied there and then bounce so hard from there? Like, people on Twitter are going to be the first to be like, look at this dump. We're going to push up, right? We're going to push up. And then we're going to have a bear flag break or some form of bullshit, right? We're going to form, no bad words. We're going to have some type of BS to, break down and continue the trend, right? But how is this a trend? How is this pullback any sort of trend? It might be a mild day trend where we broke down supports, but on a big grand scale of things, all we've done is we back tested where we broke out of on Monday. That's all we've done. This was inevitable, and this was one of the greatest thing I think could have happened today and yesterday, because now it sets the stage for Daddy Powell to come here and confuse the shit out of everybody, because everyone's going to be thinking so short-minded from a day like yesterday that they're going to all want to be thinking short instantly. Meanwhile, they failed to understand the big picture of things, which is all we did was backtest where we came out of on Thursday. That's it. That's all we did. Nothing's changed. Nothing is bearish about this whole picture. Absolutely nothing. And to prove to you that even though, yes, I didn't short all this, I missed the short and I missed the pump on Monday, I don't care. I still made money yesterday. We still locked in pretty good sized profits. And again, I showed you that trade over here because even when the candles are printing red, you can trust that these levels of support can give you this sort of traps like over here. Yes, I bought 15. It didn't work out. But again, it doesn't matter. The win that I got from that trap right here, the back test, you can see this. The trap, the back test. I always talk about this. The back test and then the move back on up. And look at the low of those candles. 15.25. Why 15? It's not coincidence, guys. It's not at all. Look at this. We rally below it. We rally above it. And then we congest above 15. And look at the low of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 15.25. I was long already at that point. Is it coincidence? Zero coincidence. Nothing is coincidence in the market. So I had to give you that. I know it's a little bit longer. People might not want it. We just want to make money. Well, you got to understand yesterday to understand today. If you don't understand yesterday, you will fail today. So let me just fix these charts up here. Today's Friday. I like to nail the trade at open and I like to leave. I am done with Fridays. So today, we got a sizable gap to the downside all the way back down to 55.98, which is honestly where I would like to be buying. Why 55.98? That was a level of support as well. Or, of course, 15. I would be interested as well. Let me see. Yeah, not 55.98. That's where we closed. I don't know if we're going to fill it all the way, though. I wouldn't go short for it. I would say that if we reclaim 30, then I'm going to be probably long above 30. That's it. Why 30? Remember yesterday I said the 30 was support. I didn't want to bid it directly. We just sold right into it. We got denied. You can see this here. Look at this. This became resistance. We just talked about this. You can't forget these levels. You see this 30? We got these trap in itself to the upside. You can see that right there. We're back below 30. We get the back test there. And then the reversal coming back on down. Meaning if you're trading inside of this shit, you just don't understand the technicals of it. Because if you were going to short, you would short 30. I don't take them because, well, they're low probability. This thing could have gone up from this 30 level. But again, what I'm trying to say is that this acted as resistance yesterday because we got to understand yesterday to understand today. So today we're right at 29. So very simple. If we can push above this 30 level, maybe perhaps the 36, get the back test. It becomes a rinse and repeat story. And then we go back on up. That's it. That's all there is to it. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Of course, you always gotta wait because we know we're hanging out right below resistance from yesterday. We know this. So, do I feel like we're gonna break through it? Yeah. Do I feel like I want to get long? Yeah. But am I gonna take the long? No, because it doesn't align with the way I view the market or how my strategy tells me to get long. I don't want to trade my feelings. I want to trade what I know. Look at that rally overnight. Duck me, man. I should have been long that 88. I knew it. Duck me. We got a nice sizable bear flag kind of trend going. Maybe we break the bear flag and we take a nice buy of 04. I wouldn't want to buy 1820. That's the first level. Only if we trap. If we go below 3 to 5 points, we get back above it, then I'm interested in the move back on up. Always looking for the same things. So you got the long history lesson, but again, I hope that that gave you some value and that keeps you with the guessing out of the game. There's really no need to guess this game. There's only over trading and gambling that can get you in the red. And then, yes, of course, if I take the trade, doesn't work out, then you walk away after 2 trades. That's a $300 loss, 3 points on each. You got to have a plan, right? And that's it. And $300 loss is nothing compared to my gains on a day. So it's totally fine. In fact, I think all week, let me see. I think all week I've had one losing trade, which was the one of yesterday that I bid directly. That was my only losing trade, I think, so far. I got to double check, though. Don't quote me on that just yet. Oh, yeah. Something else I wanted to make note of. So yesterday I was rebuilt for this account here. It's another 50K combine. So, yeah. I guess I'm starting this other combine as well. Profit target is going to be 53,000, of course, right? Above there. I don't know. I wanted to kind of do this thing of like passing it live, right? I feel like a lot of people are interested in stuff like that, trying to pass this thing live. But then I realized that, I mean, I'm not going to just trade this, right? So what I've done is essentially, I got my Express Funded account as the leader, and I'm copy trading the combine. So yeah, we're doing a small account challenge while I'm actually making money as well. So we're doing both. I'll even, you know, this is being recorded on the live stream. You can see the account number right there. It ends in 681. That's a combine. That account gets changed. So once that gets passed, we're going to be trading on that pretty much all week. Obviously behind the Express Funded account. But yeah, so that's my plan. I'm going to chill, wait. Remember, Daddy Powell's speaking. We're going to do the crystal ball in about another 5-10 minutes. Let's let the crystal ball gather some more information from the market first. It's Friday. I hope you're feeling excited. Because God knows I am. I want to nail this trade at open and I want to get the duck out of here. I don't even want to be here when Daddy Powell comes in. He's going to introduce a little bit of volatility. And I would hope that the volatility goes both ways. That meaning we sell and we go up, right? Because when we sell, I know we're going to go up. The problem is when the volatility gets introduced and we go up and we go up, that's my problem there because it becomes a thing of chasing and you miss it, right? Like imagine he just starts speaking. I'm trying to wait for this to reclaim, right? 3 to 5 points, take the long, right? The problem is when that guy comes in, this thing just squeezes. And then it's like, it pulls back, squeezes, but it doesn't come to my levels. The levels don't really respect as much because we're very bullish. I'm okay with seeing the massive dump because I know where to buy. But the thing is, on the buying side, while we have strength, I need to buy when we backtest the levels, and that needs some weakness or some form of trend. And the problem is when Daddy Powell is speaking, this thing just goes, baby. It just goes. It's either you long, you hop on long, or you miss the bus. So watch out. I'm going to take it easy till market opens on up. Like I said, we're hanging out right below the level of resistance. Can you argue that it's resistance? Look at that. We've been spending for the since 904, really 902, up until right now, hanging out below this 30 level. I wouldn't short it because that's a loser's game, but I'm just saying this is resistance. I would rather just get denied here, maybe come back down to 1820 like that. I know that all these losers up here, they're shorting, right? They're going to leave their stops there. And then when we go back up, we'll take their stops and have a lot of liquidity to push the market even higher. But we'll see. Anyways, that's my whole speech on today. I'm going to take it move by move, profit take by profit take. If you have your own idea or if you would like to share your thoughts with me, share them. Feel free. Do you think we're going to sell? Do you think Daddy Powell's feeling bearish today? He's going to come and dump the market? Or do you think we're just running up to those all-time highs? I don't know. I think we want those highs. I can't even lie to you. I think today we're going to go to those highs, but I don't want to say it yet because, I mean, it's too early, right? But no, I got this feeling, this gut feeling that we just want to go straight up there. Yesterday was nothing but a trap to the bears, I think. But we'll see. I don't know. When he speaks, this thing, forget about these candles printing like this. Forget it. This thing's going to get wild. And 30 out up there, holding up as resistance currently. Are you surprised? You shouldn't be. We know this is resistance from yesterday. We know this. It was support. It got dumped on. You can see the trap to the upside right here. Above 30. 3 to 5 points. Like I always talk about traps. What did it do? From the 30 all the way to the 33.50. That's 3.5 points. Gets back into the range. It does the magical back test. And that is the beginning. If you are going to short, this is the beginning of that nice dump back down. You wouldn't want to short here or here. It's too early. Of course, yes, it was probably arguably better spots to short. But I think that above 52, you were just picking tops and guessing. Where'd the price go? Where did the price go? Where the hell are we? Oh, 30. All right, let's start asking the crystal ball some questions here. Remember, this crystal ball's been on fire recently. I don't know. I don't want to fade it anymore, to be honest. If anything, this is my only indicator I'm following the last couple of maybe 2 weeks now. This is going to be my new indicator. The crystal ball indicator. No EMAs, no RSI, no VWAP. The crystal ball. The crystal ball knows best. We're going to ask it the main question. Are we going to new all-time highs today? I think that's a good question. That's a good question. It's a Friday. Fridays can be wild. And Daddy Powell speaking. Anything's possible. Let's see. No. Okay. All right. So no new highs today. All right. That doesn't mean we're not going to pump, though. Are we going to break 85 to 95 support level? So this is the support that we talked about from Monday. Not really. All right. All right. So it means we're not going to break the low, but we're not going to highs either. So this is the magical question now. Yesterday was, are we going to dump? Are we going to pump at market open? This is it. This is the first move of the day. Certainly. Oh my gosh. Without even a doubt, this thing. Certainly. All right. I got to wait for the 9:30 candle to print, and I'm just going to buy it. I'm going to hop on long. I'm genuinely curious. I'm willing to take out my my XFA out of this copy trading thingy, and I would hop in long on the first candle with the combine. I'm actually curious. Could it work? That would be too funny. Come on. That would be good. What kind of music is this? Now I hope 30 takes us back down and we just do a trap to the downside. And then we can reverse and go back up. 30 there acting up as resistance. Will you look at that? Wow. Wow. I wonder why we got denied there. Question is, how far can this move take it down? I don't take the shorts because these things, they pull back 3 to 5 points sometimes, and then they go back up and they reclaim that level. Or sometimes you have like yesterday where it just works like beautiful, right? The problem is days like yesterday, well, they're in a rarity. They're rare. They are very rare. How can I prove it to you? I can prove it to you. Trust me. It's not that I'm gonna lie to you. I can prove it. Dun, dun. I'm gonna pull this up here. My thingy-majiggy is not working there, so I'm gonna load this up. How can I prove it to you? Well, I'll just show you this chart. This is the daily chart, okay? And the days that those shorts will work is basically this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, it's gonna be big red days. That's pretty much what I'm saying. And then in you trying to wait for this red day here, you would have lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row. Yeah. And then these days would have worked. Those days wouldn't have worked. And then besides all that, once we got this little dip here as well on the daily chart, look at that. It was every day just doot, 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 buy, 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 buy. The dip, again, buy, 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 buy. Right now, I think it's a buy. Just let's hope we get a trap to the downside and we go back up. Don't try to pick tops. Don't be a loser. Be a winner. I buy every day. Every day. I don't fight the trend. I don't fight it. I used to. My first trade, whatever, was a short. I remember dumping like $6,000 short. Didn't go well. And then I got sour, so I kept on shorting, trying to pick tops, and watch. Just kept on losing. Until one day I'm like, wake up. Either you're going to stop trying to pick the top each time, or you might as well just join them. If you can't beat them, join them. Bye. And that simple philosophy, that simple twist of change of thought got me to the promised land. Don't look at yesterday's dump and think that we're going to sell today. I would love for this to sell back down to 1820. Do a trap down here, and then boom, we go back up. And when I say don't expect to sell, I mean don't expect for, like, you know, big levels of support to just fail. Going down to 1820, going down to 04. Yes, we're going down, but we're pulling back. We ain't selling. We're just giving us they're giving us a better entry at that point. You got to be like, thank you. That's it. Look at that, 30 resistance right there. That's exactly why on my, like exactly what I said. I feel like we're going to go up, but I cannot take it until price goes up, we back test, and then we go. And that's why it's very important, the back test. Because on the back test is where you get long. You cannot just long here below resistance. It's like running into a wall. I don't know about you, but if let's say that, this might sound like a bad example, but if let's say that we were hired to do a job and there was a solid concrete wall. Well, in the market's analogy, I hope you don't take this the wrong way. I was a construction worker, so that's why I can relate. And I always was the first one there to try to break it. But right now in the market, you don't want to be first to break it. You want to let others try and go there. You want to let it go. You need to see others get wrecked here first. You see anybody that got long there, they're getting wrecked. But now we're going to probably go back above there, right? We're going to keep testing it until it breaks. So you want to be at that point where it breaks. We haven't got really the whole breakout yet, but we broke it. It's weak, and now you can go with the momentum and just basically kick that ducking thing down. You don't want to go there chipping all afternoon. You want to go there to kick it down. I know it might sound a little cynical, but I think it's a good analogy for why you wouldn't want to short, get long below levels of resistance. Market's now open for business. Oh my goodness, I totally missed it. All right, come on, let's go down to the 1820. Don't just pump. Pretty please go down to 1820. Look at that resistance 30, held up pretty nicely. Can it give one level move back down to 18? Because it's 30-18, right? It's not 30-20 if they want it. Also, remember, this is all noise until 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is when we're really going to start getting that whipsaw, the whipsaw and moves. Come on, sell it. Sell it back down. Remember, we got a gap of 55.98. Sell it, baby, sell it. I want to see 18 get hit. We're almost there. Come on, baby, come down. I wouldn't want to buy this yet. And remember, the trap is your best friend when we're dumping. When we're dumping, the trap is always your best friend. Meaning we go below 18, 3 to 5 points, we reclaim 18, then I'll feel good taking that long. We almost got it. I hope we don't just bounce from there, because then it's going to be really a tricky one. It's looking weak though. Let's give it some time. I'm gonna give it some time. I don't want to just hop in long here. And Crystal Ball, I think, was wrong this morning. We're looking dumpy. I'm not gonna buy this right now. Like I said, we still got that 10 o'clock happening. Everything is noise up until then. I would have really liked to see 18 get hit. It's in between that level. If we hit 18, then bounce, maybe I'll take a long, but we haven't hit 18 yet. 1875. You might be like, well, it's only 3 ticks. It doesn't matter. I like my levels, 18. It's got to be 18, and 18 it is. I don't negotiate my levels. If we hit and we bounce from them, then I can take the 1875. Come down. Come to Papa. Come on down, baby. Come on down. We're holding up there currently, but I'm not in love with it. I'm gonna let it go. I don't like how NQ is just looking very dumpy. The dollar's showing strength. And I still haven't seen 18 get hit. So I need to see how we're gonna react of that 18. No guessing. You see that 13, the 30 level playing out so far, giving us one move from the 30 all the way back down to a level of support, which is 18 level. You can see where we got stuck, which is waterfalled, and we got stuck right at this level of support here. That's what I mean by the greatest game of ping pong. Can we dump it? Absolutely. But look where we're holding up right now. We're having problems here breaking. Why? Because it's support from yesterday. You got to keep that guessing out of that game. 30 is resistance, 15 support. This is one move. This is all one target. This is one leg. I don't short because I just don't. Now, if I was long on this 15, I would really like to get long 18 first. I should have been long 18, looking for a move. Take a wild guess back up to where? Just take a wild guess. Take it. Take it. 30. But I didn't see that 18 get hit. Oh, come on, man. I'm telling you, the days that I'm picking up on my entries, it's the days that these things happen like this. But I don't care. I'm waiting. So far, that 18 giving us a nice move. Duck. Should have been long there. 18.75. Oh my god, we're going straight for the 30. Shit. That was the trade right there. That would have been my trade. Fudge. 18. Take profit almost around here. Well, there goes my trade. Fuck. Don't be surprised why we bounce from there. That's what I said. From 30, first target from that short will be that 18 level. Down here. You don't want to hold any more than that. Like, that's... I'm even surprised we got down there to begin with. Look where we bounced from. Right here. Right here. Fuck me, man. It was 3 points. 3 points. They couldn't sell it 3 more... Not 3 points. 3 ticks. Sorry for the bad words, but come on, man. I was trying to get filled 18. It bounces from 18.75. And look at that. Where are we going back up to? I don't know. But right now, I guess what I'm seeing is, if you're not seeing it, look at this. You see that? Let me put it like this for you. We're just pinging and ponging. That's it. That's it. Fudge, man. I gotta stop streaming. I think I just gotta trade what I'm thinking. I talked about this being resistant. I should have shorted there. I talked about this being support. I should have bought there. Boom, boom. Ah, the could have, the would have, the should have. You gotta love it. No trades for me yet. I'm waiting, like I said. Daddy Powell speaking at 10, and maybe I should have taken that trade and been over and done with today already. But I do like the idea of that extra volatility coming in at 10. I don't know why. I just like it. It excites me. Just thinking about the idea of 10 points up, 10 points down. Ripping. But so far, the levels are respecting really good. If you didn't know that we were going to probably get denied there, well, I don't know what you're trading. And if you didn't know we were going to bounce from there, I don't know what you're trading. Again, I don't need to trade every single move to make money. The main thing for me is just understanding why we got denied there and why we bounced from here. That's it. My job is to take one trade based on my edge in the marketplace, make my money, and then get the duck out of here. That's it. It's as simple as that. And it's Friday. I already got my payouts lined up. I'm going to be taking payouts today. My goodness. Unbelievable. Come on, man. This thing should have gone to 50. I mean, to 18. Come on. And we're back inside the slaughterhouse. So don't be trading in here. We're likely wanting to hit 30 again. But the path the market is going to choose, I have no idea. Let's see if we're going to dead cat bounce here. We'll see. But either way, I don't have a trade. There was a short up here, a buy down here. I didn't take any, so can't do much here now. I would love to see 18 actually get sold now. If we do come back down, if we can sell, that would be a nice picture. But they're not going to do it, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my gosh, they're going straight for that 30 again. I think if we go 30, we might break it this time. Let's see. Hopefully not, though. I want them to go down. Please bring it down. Please. If you were long though and you had some more courage than me to buy it down here, I would say, I don't know, 30 wants to get hit. Maybe we leave it for later. I don't know. Fuck, it should have been long. Oh man, it was such an easy buy. But come on, how could I was long this area yesterday. Well, 15, a little bit lower. That's why I thought I'm like 18, we'll go 18. 18.75. Ducking thing, come on. Now the dollar's looking dumpy, which is good for yes, but come on, Leo. End this stream and... No, I'm not going to end the stream. We're going to make some money. Yeah, there's nothing for me to do here. Can't do nothing there. But even that 18.75 got up to 27.50, almost 10 points already. Ducking crap. So far, the sell was the better one. The short from 30 down to down here. But look at it like this. This is the bottom, I guess. Support, right? We know this. I don't need to draw this, but just for you to kind of visualize it. This is the top currently. We're inside of this. So unless you're long here or you're short here, there's really nothing, no business to be doing in here. Nothing. Stay out of it. There's a lot more opportunity coming. I missed the short, I missed the buy, and God knows I'm going to get the next move. Come on! 10 o'clock, it's coming in hot. Daddy Powell's getting ready. He's got his mic turned on soon, and he's just thinking about it. I think he's doing the crystal ball or a coin toss. He's like, should we make the market dump today, or should we make it pump? Should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it? Should I not do it? If there's one man that can move the market, that's him. With words. The guy doesn't even need to buy or sell. He just words. As soon as he says good morning, boom, market dumps 100 points. And see, this is the thing about support, right? We'd never know if this thing is going to bounce through 30, get higher than 30. All we do know is we can take the long of 18, right? So every bounce, so right now, this is what I'm going to explain. This is resistance, right? Okay. This is support. We got a nice bounce of support, so it rewarded you with profit, right? Fine. If we come back down and we break 18, guess who might be in control of the current market situation? The sellers. Why? Because we broke down the support where we bounced from. Right now, we got rejected off here. If we go up here and we break 30, guess who might be in control? The buyers. It's a simple game like that. It's as simple as that. Right now, I'm not quite sure who's in control. I just know that we bounced. We're from both. So I want to get some sense of direction here. Whichever way we break, that's pretty much who's going to be in control for a little bit until the next level. So when we break 18 down, well, guess where we were going to be going it towards? That 04 level. That was a support level from yesterday. And then between 18 and 04, we'll see who's leading. But I can feel good about taking a long of 04 if this 18 breaks down. And then you're thinking, well, then why don't you short? That shorting's a loser's game, and I don't take it. Until the market really shows me weakness, I'm not shorting there. I would not short there. I wouldn't short here. Plus, we got Daddy Powell coming in soon. The choo-choo train wants up. I just want to know if we can just flush this when he starts speaking or something. If you're here thinking we're going to sell because of yesterday, I don't know. I got this feeling. I don't know. This thing is looking pumpy. Pumpy. Look at that. That long over there. Still playing out. We got a little dip, but again, as long as 18 holds, there's really no need to do nothing in here. We're just chopping inside this range. What else can we do? Like, buy at the bottom, sell at the top, and the pigs get slaughtered in the middle. We talked about why I wasn't gonna get long here. This is resistance from yesterday. You don't need to guess this game. No guessing. Hopefully the market congests in here. If I had to say something, this thing is looking like that P indicator. The P, the trigger finger at the bottom, and then the pump, probably. That's my patent, all right? My patent. Let's see. I'm not going to long it, okay? This is all a joke. It's not serious, but I'm just saying. We held the support at the bottom. Can it rally to that 30? Can we hit 30? Let's see if the P for the pump can play out. The P's for pump. And then the V's for victory. Because if the pump works, well then, look at that. We're going to be making this nice victory lap. See, these are my patents right here. This is Leo's indicator. The V for victory if we get through 30. Victory because, well, the buyers won. And the P for the pump. I am not taking this. I should have been long from down here already. 18. If anything, I'm hoping that it fails so that I can buy it at the bottom. Daddy Powell's coming back. Don't forget, he's coming at 10 o'clock today. Not coming back. He's coming at 10. Let's see. Is the P going to play out? The P, the pump. Come on, yes, man. I was 3 ticks from getting filled. 3 ticks from getting filled down here. 3. Fudge. I should have been long already, this thing. We're going... Oh my gosh, it's looking pumpy. Patience, Leo, patience. Let's see, is the P gonna work? Is the pump gonna work? Is the pump incoming? Can it do it? Can we hit 30? That's the back test. Every tick that it goes higher, it's hurting my soul. On a Friday, because I'm like, shit, I should have been long this already. I would have taken profit right now and then walked away. Done. Now I gotta sit here and... It's okay. The pump is working so far. It's working. It's working. Remember, we're about to hit that level of resistance from yesterday now. This played out already. 18. Like I said, where are we going to probably go back up to? 30. We'll see what happens at 30. If we get there. Or else we can roll over right here, right now. This is the problem. Like, even though I understand that 30 wants to get hit, I can't long here. You know what I mean? I got to be long from down here. And then I'll be telling, pump, pump, pump. It's all right. There's always another move. I don't like to rush these things. Played out. Amazing. Great. All that does is tells me more that my strategy does work. Support and resistance. Perfect. But come on. My line was off 3 ducking ticks there. All right, Daddy Powell coming in 10 minutes. He's about to introduce some volatility. I want some volatility. Remember, we're trading 2 accounts today. From 1875 up to the 28.25, almost 10 points. Which is not a big move. We're just kind of chopping in this range. I don't know. This thing's looking bottom. You look at NQ. You see that shape? I don't know. Fuck. I should have been long already. That shape right there. I don't know. We'll see. I don't care about shapes. I'm just saying. Come on, Powell. Come on in. All right. I'm going to go get some more water because I know that I'm not going to leave after in 9 minutes. Let's hope that this thing kind of congests here. And then let's see what happens. All right, we're back. You guys think we're going to fill the gap? There's a sizable gap to the downside. We closed yesterday at 55.98. All you got to do to figure out gaps is session, regular trading hours. And you can see we got a nice gap to the downside alongside a big, very big gap to fill at the upside right here, 57.14. That was the gap that I guess when we started that dump. So can we fill both gaps today? If we do, I hope we fill the bottom one first. We got this kind of like bear flaggy thingy majiggy too. They're kind of lining up. See that flag? I don't know. I hope they break it. We fill it or something. I don't know. It's just that I want to buy lower. I don't really want to buy here. Feels chasey here. Although the daily candles, I mean, they're ready to go, baby. These guys, they're ready. The hourly candles are... The hourly candles screaming by me. But we got Daddy Powell coming in. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. And this is exactly why we're still pinging inside of this range. There's really nothing to do here besides whether you think the resistance is going to hold up or support. I just left. That's right. That dump in the rip. Got scared. It's like, oh shit, this guy's back. We gotta go without him. We can't give him a better entry. No way. Oh my goodness, is that 30 incoming? Is it incoming without me? God. I should have bought that. Oh my god, why didn't I buy it? It's because I know Jerome Powell's speaking, right? And anything's possible right now. We're just kind of waiting for him to come on and to come and speak anyway. So the real move is going to come in later on. Look at this chop right now. Boom. Ugh. But again, you would know not to trade in this, right? We know not to trade in here. If you're not long from here or you're not short from here, there's really no business in trading inside here. None. Zero. Gamblers are trying to trade in here, reading the damn candlesticks, the whatever they're reading nowadays. I don't know. Most expensive couple one. I think so. I think I've got some more ones, but I'm not worried. I know the market's gonna set up nicely when that guy speaks, because always expect traps. When he speaks, size down, expect traps, get your win for the day, and walk away. That's the only way you win in a day like today. That's it. You trade more than 3 times, you lose, I think. And when you trade, you gotta have that, you gotta honor your stop and you gotta honor your take profit. And most importantly, size down. All right, let's see who's gonna win. The seller at 30 or the buyer at 18. One of them's gonna break. We break above 30, we turn 30 into support, I'll be long 30. We break down 18, I'm not gonna long 18 this time around because, well, come on, we already bounced from there. And Powell coming in is not going to help, right? This thing could easily sell. Why is it doing that? So I'll be long at the next level down of support. Couple minutes left. All right, let's ask the crystal ball a question. Will Daddy Powell dump the market and fill 55.98 gap? That's the gap to the downside currently. No. All right, all right. Let's see. Will 56.30 break and pump? Let's find out. No. I don't know what this thing wants then. It's confused too. It's like, just leave me out of this. It has no opinion on what Daddy Powell's gonna do. I don't know. She was feeling bullish though. She said it. She's like, we're not dumping or we're not breaking 55.88. Yesterday's low is exactly where I didn't trade on Monday. I don't know if you recall, Antonio, if you were here for that. This is that level that I said I want to see if we broke above it on Monday. And then look at that. We bounced from there. All right, it's 10 o'clock. Look at that. I don't know what that guy said. He said good morning or something, but we're already rallying. Oh my goodness, that 30 broke. Fudge, I should have been long. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at it. Fuck. Oh my God. What did he say? What did the man say? He just said good morning. It's 10 o'clock. 10:30. It's 10 and 36 seconds and this thing just rallied. And look where we bounced from. 18. Are you ducking kidding me? Fuck! Oh my God. And here I am waiting for a backtest of 30 now. I don't know. Oh my God, it keeps going. I don't know. Like I said, I think this thing wants all-time highs. It's inevitable. Fuck, I should have been long. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. No way we go straight up. See, this is exactly what I talked about. I didn't want this. Oh, come on, man. Oh, man, this is... I could have been long from 18 still. Oh my gosh. Do you see why I say I don't give a damn about news or numbers? Look what I just did. I don't even know what he said. And I knew the fucking thing was going higher. Why was I wanting to be a buyer today? Because the ducking thing was going to go higher. What did he say? I don't know and I don't give a shit. Look at it. This is like... I don't know. I have no idea. But this thing's going up. We break through that 50. Oh my God. We're going to go straight through it. All right. Where am I going to hop in long? Fuck. I got to use a little bit of FOMO here. If we break through 53, we backtest 53. Maybe that's an entry there. But I would rather discongest. Give some type of congesting here or something. If you're trying to short this, I feel sorry for you. Actually, no, I don't feel sorry for you because you should know better. Wow, what an entry from 88 last night. That's all right. That's all right. It's all right. No. Look at that. We got stuck right at 53. Come on. Back test. Go down. 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 Go down, baby. Go down. Let's get a back test of at least 36. I can feel good about taking a long there. Come on, 36, 36. Minimum 36. Come on, come on. Come on down, come on down. I'm trying to buy this, all right? I'm not trying to sell short this thing. Come on, come on. Come down a little bit more. We need more on this. We need more on this dip. We got to that level of resistance, so now the game of ping pong returns. 53, now with the next level of support is going to be that 30 level down there. But, come on, can we get it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want to buy here, not yet. We did break the low of that previous candle there. Maybe I should have been long already. We're still below 53 though. Not in love with this. Not yet. Come on, congest a little bit. Be nice. Be nice. I should have hopped in longer as soon as we cracked that 30. He's talking about rates. The market's getting excited. Market's like, they're going to cut it. Okay, we're right below 53. Come on, let's take more of a dip from that level. We need more of a dip. A little bit more, yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Be nice. We need more. We need more. All right, beautiful. Come on down. Come on down. There we go. There we go. Come on down a bit more. A little bit more. Come on. I don't want to take a long here. This is blind buying here. We're almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. We're going to have some support at 35. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come. Break it. 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 Break 35. Break 35. Come on. I would really like a little bit lower of an entry. We're almost there. Come on. Holy shit, this thing just bounced right from there. We're almost there, though. I'm almost comfortable buying. Just a little bit lower would have been better for me. Oh, my God. Come on, man. How... I mean, if we get back above 43, it's a risky buy, but fuck, it might be worth it. I'll try it. 3-point stop to the downside for me. Come on, rally, rally. We got to just rally now. Rally, 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 rally. Go, baby, go. Push this damn thing. Push it. Push, 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 push. Push, baby, push, 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 push. I'm not in love with it. I might get out. Let's see. Come on, push, push, push. Come on, just fucking go, baby. Just fucking go. Do it for Papa. Come on. Holy shit. They don't want it. Do they want it? Come on. Do it, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push, baby. Push, push, push. Come on. Oh, my God. We're getting choked up. We need power right now. Rally, 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 or else I'm getting out. Rally or else I'm getting out. Come on, man. Just go, baby. Go, go, go. Go. Go NQ. Go NQ. Pump it. I need this thing to show me more strength. Break, 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 break. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, come on. A little bit more. Break it, break it, break it. Go, go. We got to break these highs right here, right now, or else I'm getting out. On this candle, I want to see them broken. I want to see them broken on this candle. Come on, come on, come on. Break it or I'm getting out. Come on. Break it, break it. Oh, my God, we're so close. We got, what, a minute left on this candle. Come on, we got to break it. I'm going to go break even already. It's a chasey trade, so I got to protect my downside risk on this. Come on. We're either going or we're not going. It's one or the other. Fuck. Come on. Go. Just go, man. Go. Break it, go, 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 squeeze, squeeze, baby, squeeze, just ducking, squeeze. Squeeze him. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby, let's go. Come on, break through that 51 and we go 60, ducking one, come on. I'm going to watch price closely here at 51. If we don't break through it right now, I'm getting out quick. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Break it, break 51. Oh shit, it's getting stuck. Go, 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 baby, go. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm talking about. That's it, baby. 2 accounts grown. Boom. God damn it, not a single losing ducking day. Fuck me, I'm good. Oh my God. To the ducking moon. God. Look at that. Fuck. Unbelievable. And I still think I took profit early. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that. We waited. We didn't chase right away. We got denied at 50. This is the trick there. That's resistance. We get denied there. I wanted to see a more of a dip. And then guess what happened? I understand that 43 is a level of support as well. It's a mild, but it's still nonetheless. When the market's fucking bullish, you just got to go with it. We get the dip below. Even this became a trap on its own. Look at it. 43, you can see we bounce from here, right? You got to watch price. You got to train your eyes for this crap. Look. Let me explain this. We got denied at 50. That's the ceiling. We come down and I see where we bounce from. If this candle had bounced from here, that's a different story. But the point is, we bounced from 43. There's no guessing in this game, okay? If you're guessing, you're losing. Look at this. 43. Keep that in mind now. What happened after 43? We get a nice bounce. We get a nice dump to 44. Then we reclaim, 36. Then we reclaim 43. So I take the long. You saw that I was not in the red pretty much almost at any point, maybe for a little bit, but my stop was always the same, 3 points. Don't risk. You don't need to risk more than that. And it was like I told you, on this candle here, we needed to break this high. This was the magical right there. Once we broke right there, I fucking knew we were going to 51. Now, at 53, we could have gone denied. So I'm watching price at that point, how we're reacting to it, right? So once I see that we do react in a way that I like, we squeeze right through it. Well, then now we go 61. But honestly, like I said, I'm trading 2 accounts today. The XFA along with the other one. I'm up already over $1,000 on the day. I'm happy. It's Friday. Like I said, I fucking love Fridays. It gets me excited about the weekend. And now I can just go out and plan out the rest of my day and get ready for the week, for next week. But come on. Come on. Look, I don't even want to say anything besides this. I should have been long from 18 to begin with. This is all being recorded. I leave this thing on here. Why 18? This is where I got long yesterday. I got long 15. Come on. Okay? And then I said, someone's gonna break. The 18 breaks, we go down. If the 30 breaks, we go up. It's as simple as that. It's so simple. We will know who's in control, I said. Below this level here, the market is weak. It tells us that it wants to go down. So why am I going to get short here? Look at that 30 break. Who's in control above there? The bulls, the buyers. And look at it. Can you argue that they're not in control? Look at that. 60 ducking one just got hit without me. Fuck. I took profit early at 64.75. But again, the lesson here is understand the game. If you understand the game, you don't really care about missing out on this buy. You don't care about missing out on this short. Fuck the short. Look at this short. If you got short there, you're going to miss the whole dip buying opportunity. So, again, I ask you, I've been here every single day buying. Every single day. Because this is the greatest game of ping pong and Jenga that you will ever play. That's it. Look how the levels are even being respected. We got 61. We got denied a little bit above it. Now we're coming back down to test. Guess where? 51. Why 51? Sorry, 53. Why 53? That was where we got stuck here. Look at this. Look at the chart. The chart is telling us. I wouldn't buy it here. I'm just saying we want to back test it, right? Look at that. Look what's happening here. Look at it. I'm already out of the game, but what I'm saying is, look at it. We're back testing there. Look what's happening from that back test. Is it coincidence? No, it's not at all coincidence. We're going to try to turn this area into support now. Depends how bullish we are. We might just break right through. I don't know. But what I would love to see is some type of consolidation, right? And then you take the long and you're looking for the move back up. Or if you're feeling with some guts this morning, you take the back test trade, right? And look at it. It's still rewarding. And where are we pinging? We're pinging in between this level, 61 and 53. Come on. Come on. What more can I do? I don't know. Just coming here every morning and basically trying to buy. And the one day I might look dumb buying one level of support where it dumps on me, which hasn't happened in a long time. Do you think I'm going to quit my strategy because of one day? No, look at it. I should have taken the long of 53. We bounced from, take a wild guess where, 53. Where are we getting stuck at? 61. Now you know what happens? It becomes the same thing. The game of ping pong is back in business again. Between 61 and 53. Which one's going to break first? I don't know. But what I'm saying is, whoever breaks first, that's the way we need to go. If we break 53, well, then we probably need to go back down and retest maybe 43. And then what are we going to do? We're going to ping and pong between 51 and 43. That's it. And this is why the back test, you take it one time. You can see this back test here, 63. It gave one level move, right? From 53 to 61. You need to respect the levels. You saw the back test there. It worked out. It got all the way to 61. And then we got denied at 61. So when it comes back down, you don't want to just long anymore. The back test already played out. If we were going to move up to the next level between 61 and 72, well, then the bulls should have pushed price further from this 61 to the 72. Does that make sense? And look at that. We are dumping back down. That's it. And that's why I say Fridays. And the fact that Jerome's speaking, you let it be. You take... Those are the rules of the game. You pick your shots. You pick your entry. You follow your stop. You follow your take profit. And then you take the profit and you walk away. That's the rules of the game. If you can't follow them, don't play them, because then you will get into the casino mentality. And I just said we're going to probably want to backtest this 36 level down here. Same shit. I'm over it. I don't want to be here just analyzing the candles all day, because I'm going to probably talk myself into a trade. And honestly, I'm done. Amazing. Amazing. We didn't even play the banana song this morning. Come on, Leo. Come on. Maybe if we had been playing the banana song, this thing would have just ripped to the all-time highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, look, I'm going to do something. I'm going to take out my exit pay from this. I got to do it. Banana like, banana bigs. Copy trading.